That's it. Once you've got Apple CarPlay, it's so easy. Press for 2 seconds. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
Comes up there, go. You don't need to touch go. It will just automatically start navigating. Take me to Subway.
One possibility I see is Subway on London Way in Preston. It adds 2 minutes to your route. Want to try that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Subway.
So that diverts you to Subway, and then as soon as you've been to Subway, it takes you back to your original destination. 2 seconds on the voice activation. Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
Right, I'm just holding this for the purposes of this video. Call Barry.
Do you want to use the phone app?
Yes, please.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
As you see it call me, but my phone, it's engaged. I'm using it. So it's as easy as that. You want to text somebody. Now, again, I'll keep this open for the purposes of this, but I wouldn't need to hold this. You wouldn't need to touch it. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
I'm just demonstrating the CarPlay system in this Citroen EC3. It's fantastic.
It says, I'm just demonstrating the CarPlay system in the Citroen EC3. It's fantastic. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
You'll see there, I've got the text, but in all likelihood it's probably going to be in my pocket, but it's going to be out of sight anyway. So you just get here, if you look here, you'll see there's a one come up. So I've got one message, and I'll be dying to know what it is. All you have to do, 2 seconds voice activation, read text.
Barry said, I'm just demonstrating the CarPlay system in the Citroen EC3. It's fantastic. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
CarPlay system's absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.